Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you different ways of adding background to a mandala. The first one is to create a colorful effect by using a plastic and some sketch pens. Here I am randomly sketching the plastic sheets by using dome sketch pen. You can use any brand sketch pen for that. I'm just randomly adding colors to this sheet. Once I cover all the area, I'll just sprinkle some water on the sheet and transfer the colors to the A4 sheet. I'll just rub the back of the plastic sheet so that it can deposit the colors evenly. Now I'll keep it aside for drying, and now let's quickly jump to the next technique of adding background, which is wet on wet technique. In this technique, I'll add a layer of water on my A4 sheet and then on top of it, I'll deposit watercolors. Since the paper is already wet, the colors will spread out easily. Now let's keep it aside for drying. Next up, we will be using coffee for creating patterns. Firstly, I'll wet the A4 sheet and then gently sprinkle some coffee powder on it. You can use any coffee powder for that. Every time it will give you different effects. In case of any requirement of water, just sprinkle some water on top of it and the coffee will create its magic. You can either cover the whole sheet or only the some parts of the sheet. I'll prefer to cover the whole sheet. Once you are okay with the result, just keep it aside for drying. For the next technique, I'll be using Fevicryl glass colors. Technically, it's used only for glasses, but I love how it gives very glossy effect on the paper. So that's why I've decided to use it here. And along with this, you will be needing some salt. So once you spray some salt on these colors, it will give very nice glossy and shiny effects. For this technique as well, we'll just wet the A4 sheet with plain water and on top of it, I'll just randomly sprinkle these colors. Now I'll keep this one also aside for drying. And now let's quickly jump to the next technique, which is by using watercolor and salt. Trust me, it will give like a very much galaxy effect. I'm just randomly adding colors to this paper after wetting it, and I am majorly choosing the dark colors like black, dark green, blue, and others. Now I'll just sprinkle some salt on top of it and then I'll keep it aside for drying so that salt can show its magic. And this is how the papers will look like after drying. I created few more paper by using some of these techniques. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account is @the Quirky Bliss. I'll meet with you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.